hood latch release tools made from gutter spike or metal rods. Anything with rigidity which you can bend. This one I made out of a dog chain anchor, and I cut off the whirligig that was on the end of it and then just bent it to the very best shape for being able to open that hood. And this one, same thing, it goes in through the grill into that hole on the left side of the latch assembly. Just goes in and it'll touch down on the latch mechanism, and you just push it like that and it'll open that hood right up. I'm going to demonstrate it for you. In through the grill, into the hole. Voila! Open hood, Isuzu Rodeo. Do it yourself.